Alright, so if you're trying to download books or documents on Scribd and it's not working, yeah, that can be really frustrating. But don't worry, most download issues are easy to fix. Let's go step by step. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. Downloads need a strong connection to work properly. Make sure you have an active subscription, because downloads are usually limited to subscribed users. Go to your App Store and check if there's an update available for Scribd. Now go to your phone settings and clear the Scribd app cache to remove temporary bugs. Close the app completely and reopen it before trying to download again. Make sure your device has enough storage space for downloads. If you're using a VPN, turn it off. It can interfere with downloads. Switch to a different network if possible to rule out connection issues. If downloads still fail, uninstall and reinstall Scribd for a clean setup. If nothing works, contact Scribd support and report the issue. And yeah, that's how you fix Scribd download problems. One of these steps should get your downloads working again.